Hi friends, an operator A is defined as minus dy by dx plus x. Which of the following is true? Statement A is Hermitian operator. Option Statement B, A star is anti-Hermitian operator. Statement C, both A star and A star A are Hermitian operator. Statement D, A star is Hermitian but A star A is anti-Hermitian operator. Let's answer now. A star equal to A star A for Hermitian operator. We have A equal to minus dy by dx plus x. A star equal to I minus dy by dx plus x. A star equal to minus dy by dx plus x into I into minus dy by dx plus x equal to plus I d square by dx square minus ix minus ix d by dx plus ix square equal to I into dy by dx minus x all square. A star A equal to I into minus dy by dx plus x into inside bracket minus dy by dx plus x equal to I into dy by dx minus x all square. Then we now A star A equal to A star. That is Hermitian operation. That is, this function is Hermitian operation. Follows Hermitian operations. Thanks all. Please subscribe our channel and like our channel and video and share to your friends.